Let's try to fix this patio door. It is a basic sliding door that we get from a builder or from a big box store. As you can see, it is not sliding properly. It keeps getting stuck and it seems the roller might be off its track. There are two ways to fix it. Option 1 is to loosen the 4 spring tension roller located on the 4 side of the door, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. The one in the back is located behind this gasket. The other option 2, is to try to fix it without taking it off its track. For that you will need a putty knife. You can try to lift the door to expose the roller. As you can see, this roller is not on its track. Try to slide the putty knife under the roller to lift it, then line up the door to its track and take the putty knife out. That should fix it. If the back roller is also not on its track, follow the same process. It is best to use a plastic putty knife and not the metal one, as metal one could damage the paint. And this was all the background noise you will hear.